Hi, I'm Matthew from OpenResty Inc. Today, I'd show you how to configure OpenResty Edge's built-in CAPTCHA for applications. The OpenResty Edge built-in CAPTCHA is a CAPTCHA response returned directly from the OpenResty Edge gateway server. As always, let's go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has her own local deployment. We continue with the testedge.com domain to demonstrate OpenResty Edge's built-in CAPTCHA. Let's enter this application. We already have an upstream defined in our earlier tutorial. This My Backend upstream has a backend server defined already. And we also have a page rule already defined. In the previous tutorial, this page rule has set up a reverse proxy to the upstream we just saw. Let's add a new page rule to enable the OpenResty Edge built-in CAPTCHA. We do not specify a condition for this rule, so it will fire unconditionally. Let's add a new action. Type CAPTCHA for search. Select the option Enable OpenResty Edge built-in CAPTCHA. Clearance time means that when the client passes the CAPTCHA verification, the OpenResty Edge will allow all requests from the same client in the specified period. CAPTCHA records the verification information through cookies. We set the time to 10 seconds. We insert this rule as an always top rule to ensure this rule is executed first. This is for our demonstration. You can set any order you want. Save this rule. As always, we need to make a new release to push out our edited page rule. Click on this button. Ship it. It is fully synchronized. Now the new page rule has been pushed to all the gateway clusters and servers. Our configuration changes do not require server reload, restart, or binary upgrade. So it's very efficient and scalable. Now let's access the application. We can see that the page returns the OpenResty Edge built-in CAPTCHA page instead of our original content. Let's enter the CAPTCHA code. We can see the expected content of the URI. Remember, we just set the clearance time to 10 seconds. We can access the application without CAPTCHAs within 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we need to verify again. In addition to setting the CAPTCHA in the action, we can also set it in the WAF rules. We will subsequently explain the specific features of the WAF rules in another video. Let's take a brief look at how to set up the OpenResty Edge built-in CAPTCHA and the WAF rules. Let's enable WAF. We can set the block action to the OpenResty Edge built-in CAPTCHA. We selected the built-in CAPTCHA option. As with the action we set before, we need to set a clearance time here. I won't demonstrate it in detail here. You can go through it in a WAF rules related video. Either way, we also support the third-party CAPTCHA service HCAPTCHA. You can learn about it in the OpenResty Edge HCAPTCHA tutorial video. This is what I'd like to cover today.